Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to look at how to draft the pocket of an English trouser or a suit trouser. Okay, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel before, or this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, please click on subscribe. And for my old subscribers, thank you for being there. You've been a wonderful family. All right. So we're going to look at how to draft the pocket of a suit trouser. So please sit tight and watch each and every part of this video. Please do not miss any part. Okay, watch to the end and you'll be glad you did. All right. So what you need to do, we'll consider 2 3/4 in the waist part of your trouser, 2 3/4. Make sure it is on the waist part. Some persons use 2.5, okay, depending on the waist of your clients. Okay, so we'll consider 2 3/4. All right, you mark it 2 3/4. Why the length of the pocket? The length of the pocket will be 7.5. Okay, 7.5. All right, because the waist is larger. The larger the waist, okay, the larger the waist, the deeper the pocket. All right, the deeper the pocket. Also, the larger the waist, also, the larger the width of your pocket as well. But for this tutorial sake, all right, we'll look at 7, the width. Sorry, the length of the pocket size is 7. All right, and so what you need to do is just take, after marking, take scissors and then you notch. Now the length side of the trouser, you notch half inch. Some persons prefer 1/4 inch, while the waist part is 1/4 inch. You just notch 1/4 inch. Please let it not exceed 1/4 inch. All right, and so please don't forget, as we're notching, it is the both side of the front piece of your trouser. That's where we're notching. All right, and so the next thing to do is you bring out your gum stay. Where we notch, we are going to place gum stay on top of it. All right, and so you place your gum stay on top of where you notch. All right, as you can see, you place it on top the size that has a gum. That's where you place on the fabric. Okay, and make sure your gum stay is 1 inch, okay, 1 inch lower than that 7 inch that we just notched. So the next thing is you place your iron. You iron that part of the trouser. Okay, make sure you iron it. It is firm to the front trouser piece. Okay, and then after ironing, all you just need to do, the excess gum stay there, you cut it off, and then our next stage is where you notch initially just re-notch it again, because the gum stay have covered it already. So you just re-notch it, and so you open where you notch, and recall where we notch at the waist region. Just fold it the way I'm folding it, and also the half inch that we notched as well. Fold it the way you can see on the screen, and you iron. Okay, iron properly, and please make use of a pressing wood, all right, to make it smooth and firm. All right, and so what you did to this side of this part of the trouser, do the same to the other part, the other side of the trouser. Okay, as you can see, I'm through folding the 2 parts of the trouser, the two front pieces of the trouser. And so the next thing is you can take this trouser now to where you weave. If you have a weaving machine, you can weave the all part of the trouser. All right, I'm through weaving, and so all I just need, this is the wrong side. The wrong side will face the wrong side of your pocket. Okay, that's the wrong side of the pocket, and the one with gum stain is the wrong side of the front piece of your trouser. So you place it wrong side, wrong side. Now you notice that where we ironed, okay, all you just need to do is to stitch close to where we ironed. You stitch it down. Okay, make sure you stitch it down. All right, stitch it down. Okay, then after stitching, make sure you cut away those threads, and then the next thing is where you notch the previous part, where you notch the trouser, make sure you notch it because now you've added the back pocket to it. So notch it and open it the way I opened it. Let me show you again. I opened it this way. All right, and so like I said, this is now the right side. Okay, this is now the right side. This is the right side. This side that my right hand is the right side of the pocket. So what you need to do, just stitch that against the pocket, just the way it is, placed on top of the machine. You just stitch it. Okay, stitch it 1/4. You can use 1/4. You can use just close to the part that you weaved. Just stitch it down. Make sure you stitch it down. Okay. Sometimes you might not have a weaving machine and you want to sew. What you need to do is just fold 1/4 inch inside, okay, and stitch on top of it. But here is because I have weaved that part, and so I just stitch direct. I don't fold inside. All right, so if you don't have a weaving machine, you fold 1/4 inch and you top stitch it. All right, and so what we need to do is now we have to stitch on top of that. Okay, take your pocket back and stitch on top of it. Make sure it is 1/4 inch, please. Some persons use 1/2 inch, but look at the latest style now. You use 1/4. Some persons use 1/2, but we use 1/4. When you use 1/4, is a little bit beautiful or more beautiful than when you use 1/2 inch. So use 1/4 and make sure you stitch 1 inch after where you notch. Let it end 1 inch after that place that you notch. And so don't forget to cut the excess thread. Just watch it closely. You can see it is sewn neatly. All right, so hold that part and bring the pocket side out. Okay, you can see, just flip it out and place it on top of the pocket. Okay, as you can see, once you place it, once you measure the waist region again, you see it is 2 3/4. Just place it and arrange it the way it is being placed on the machine here. You find out that it will give you 2 3/4. Okay, and what we need to do is go back and measure, make sure it is 2 3/4 that you did initially, and so you take it back, okay, to the place you notched at the length of the pocket and stitch. I said it is 1 inch after, so stitch that 1 inch after here where my hand is. Stitch on it. All right, then the next thing is to take it to the waist region and you top stitch to hold firmly the pocket. Okay, you top stitch. Please, it is 1/4 inch. 1/4 inch. It should not be more than 1/4 inch. Okay, top stitch it to hold it firmly. All right. If this video have been of a value to you, please click on like. Don't forget to share this video with your friends on social media. Okay. Share it on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Share it, okay, and give this video a thumbs up. All right, as you can see, I raised the front side of the front piece of the trouser up, raise it up, and what is left is the folded side of the pocket. And so what you need to do is to notch. You notch and you notch the 3/4 inch. Notch 3/4 inch. Some persons use half. Okay, it is accepted half. You can use half, you can use 3/4 inch. Then after notching, put it down. Then you place your hand inside the pocket. Please don't forget, where I notched was the pocket and not the front piece. And so you place your hand inside the pocket, okay, and bring the pocket out. Bring it out, watch me, okay, and bring it out. Right, if it's confusing, go to the video over again and rewatch. And so you bring it out. That's the place I notch with a 3/4 inch. And what you need to do is to sew. You sew it down, okay, sew it down to 1/4, and then you sew it down in 4 corners. All right, some persons prefer 4 corners. Why? Some method is with a curve. Okay, when they get to that position, they use a curve. All right, for this video sake, we're going to use a curve. Okay, and so we'll sew. We'll get to that part to curve. All right, just as you can see there, and cut the excess fabric, the excess allowance that is there. Please, you stitch with 1/4. All right, and then you place your hand inside, back into the pocket, and you bring it out. Okay, just see, you brought the pocket out. Okay, now you can see. Okay, you can, let me put it back. All right, you can see it's back, and all we just need to do is to top stitch on top of it. Okay, the reason why we're top stitching, so that your client within few days will not complain that there is a hole in the pocket. And so we top stitch to keep the stitch, the first stitch, tight. All right, so you can see it's looking neat. All right, our trouser is ready. You can see it's neat. All right, and so I would love to see the one you did. You can show me, you can snap it. All right, and drop it at the comment section of this video. If this video has been of a help for you and have added value to you, please don't forget, if you have not subscribed, click on subscribe and drop your comment at the comment section. Okay, and see you in our next video. Bye bye.